Hello, today I will be showing you how to use the website Kahoot. First, you will go to Google and you will type in Kahoot. You will click on the first link that says kahoot.com. If you don't already have an account, you can hit the green sign up button, or if you already do have an account, you can hit login. Since I already have an account, I will enter my username as well as my password. And then you hit login. And now you're into Kahoot. If I want to click on my personal Kahoots, that's over here on the right side. And here is an example of my money lesson plan. You can hit play. You could go to home to see other Kahoots. You could go to discover to try to find a specific Kahoot, or you could create your own Kahoot. Thank you for watching my demonstration.